Hello and welcome to Uncle Matt's Online Academy. I hope you are doing very fine today. Okay, today we want to study addition of numbers greater than 10. Numbers that are more than 10. How do we add them together? We are going to learn how to add them together using 100, tens, and units. Now, since our numbers are just within tens, we are going to be using tens and units only. So let's start. Like we said in our last lesson, how to arrange numbers, that if a number is only one digit, we put it under units. We have tens and units. If it is only one digit, we put it under unit. And if it has two digits, we put one under unit, the first one under unit, and the second one under tens. Now, if you have numbers like 1, 6 plus 1, 7, that is 16 plus 17. How can we add these two numbers? 16 plus 17. Now, see how we can add them. We pick the first one, 16. 16 has two digits, 1 and 2. So we put the first one under unit 6. And the second one we put it under tens. Then for the second one, 17. 17 has two digits also, 1 and 7. We put the first one, 7, under this. Seven under this and 1 under here. Then we draw our line. Now we come to U, the ones under U. 6 plus 7, it will give us 6 plus 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It will give us 13. 13 has two numbers, two digits. We put the first one under units and the second one under tens. So we have 3 here, and this is 1. We bring the 1, and when we add the ones under tens, we add the 1 here. So we say 2 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 2, plus the 1 from this side. From the 1 plus the 13, we add it to these 2 again. It becomes 3. So what we are going to have here is 3. So it becomes 33. Let me solve it again. We write 16, we write 6 under U and 1 under T. 17, we write 7 under U and 1 under T. Then we add 6 and 7, and it is going to give us 13. Now the 13, we put the first number under U, which is 3. Now the one that is here, this one, the second number, we bring it to this one, we add it to this one, it becomes 1 plus 1. is now 2. Now you see the 2 from this one plus this one here now, it becomes, from the plus this one, it becomes 3. So we now have 3, which is 33. So 16 plus 17 is equal to 33. Let me solve another example. If you have 22 plus 25, or 22 plus 23 plus 28, let me solve 22 plus 28. Now see how we are going to do it. Now we write our 100 tens and units. We can write only tens and units. Now for this first one, no, 23. Let's solve 23 plus 20, 28. Now for this one, we write it has two numbers, 1, 2. So we write the first number under U, which is 3. And we write the second number under T, which is 2. Now for the second number, we have 8 and 2, which is 2 digits. So we put the first number under U, and we put the second number under T. Now we draw our line. 3 plus 8 will give us what? This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will give us 11. So we write 1. 11 is 1, 1. So we write the first one under U. And then the second one, we bring the second one and we add it to this 2. It becomes 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we add this second 2, which is 2. Now it becomes 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 51. 23 plus 28 is 51. Let's solve another example. Let's look at 48 plus 51. 48 plus, let's solve 48 plus 54. Forty-eight plus, let me say 34 plus 34. Now we have our tens and units. For this first one, 48, we write 8 and then we write 4. For the second one, we have 4 and 3. So we have 4 and we have 3. Now we say 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, we already have 8, then plus 4. 4 is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now it becomes 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 1, 2. Now we write 2 under U. And then 1. We now say this 1. We add it to this first number 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 plus 3. is 5 plus 3 is 8. So it becomes 82. So 48 plus 34 is 82. Now let's add 67 plus 77. Example 4. Sixty 60, let's say 64 plus 77. We can decide to say 100 tens and units. Now for the first number, we have 64, 2 digits, 1 and 2. We write the first number, which is 4. Then we write the second number, which is 6 under T. For the second number, we have 1, 2 digits, 7, 7. We write the first 7 under U and second digits under T. Then we draw our line. Now it says 7 plus 4 plus 7. We have 7 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it becomes 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 is 1, 1. So we write 1. Then the second one, we now say the second one plus this 6 here, it becomes 7. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Now the 14, we are going to write the first number under T, and then the second number, we bring it back to put it under H, which is 100. So we have 14 is 1, 4. The first number is 4. We are going to write it under T. And now the second number, which is 1, we bring it to H. There's nothing under H, so we just bring it down. So it becomes 141. 141 is 64 plus 77. Let's look at another example. Let's solve 59 plus 65. 69 plus 55. We have 100 tens and units. Now the first one, 69, 1, 2, 2 digits. We write 9 under units, and we write 6 under tens. Then second number is 5, 5. We write 5 under units, and second 5 under tens. Now we draw our line. We say 9 plus 5 is what? 5 is 2. this is 9, this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 plus 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 is 1 4. So we write 4 under units. And this 1 that is remaining, we bring it and add it to this 6. It becomes 1 plus 6 is 7. Now 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is 1, 2. Now we write 2 under T. And then the 1 that is remaining, we bring it to under H. There's nothing to add to it. So we just bring it down 1. So it becomes 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So this is the answer. This is how to add numbers greater than 10.